Why is the fridge so empty? I've got no time to buy food.
Why is it the same again? As a matter, it's always hard for me to think what I should cook and whether there is enough ingredient to cook every day. In fact, the robotic kitchen can actually solve all the problems as it will be mainly operated by robotic arms. The robotic kitchen consists of two elements, which are kinetic architecture and smart materials. This is the overall robotic kitchen setting with a conveyor belt, intelligent fridge, robotic arms, and also detached robot. The robot can order food from the food suppliers automatically with the user's preference. The robot system connected to the fridge can receive food by ordering as well. Food will be delivered directly to the house by a conveyor belt. When the weight sensor sends a certain weight, it starts the conveyor belt and the barcode scanner scans the barcode to confirm the delivery is correct. After that, food will be delivered and they will be put in an appropriate place in the fridge. The cooked food will be separated with raw food, which will be covered properly and placed at the bottom. The expiry date, bacteria level, and the freshness will be recorded. Blood test, nutritional menu, preference on food will be recorded. After all data is input, the user can start ordering and the robot will start cleaning the ingredients and also preparing the ingredients like chopping. After all preparation is made, the robot can start cooking. Different cooking methods from different countries can be prepared. In fact, the robotic arms fit the deployability of kinetic architecture. The robotic arms are expected to extend and grab the tools or ingredients at once. Also, the robot is adapted to changes like different cooking methods and steps to add respective ingredients. When the food is ready, the detached robot will deliver the food to the user. The detached robot will not only deliver the food, but also be responsible for detection of facial expression. With such facial expression, the robot can understand whether the user is satisfied with the food and improve next time. People are always lazy in cleaning the dishes after their meals. Hence, robotic arms will be in charge of this process with the application of smart materials. One of the smart materials used is polymeric nanocomposite foam. It is hydrophobic, which is repelling to water, and it can be used to absorb oil, and so the usage of dishwashing detergent can be largely reduced. Also, the working table will be made of energy-porous membrane to reduce use of detergent and the risk of undesirable skin irritation. Also, solar panels will be placed on top of the roof to convert solar energy into electricity, and so energy efficiency can be enhanced. Here is the mind map summarizing our design. And finally,